Hi friends, good morning. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy, Director Shankaran Study Circle. In the earlier video we have seen the total installed power capacity in this country. Now in this particular video we will focus on the installed grid interactive renewable power capacity in India. Installed grid interactive renewable power capacity in India. Renewable power capacity in India. As of 27th November 2020, as of 27 November 2020, which means very recently, today is 30th November, 2 days back. As of 27th November 2020, including the large hydro, usually large hydro is not included in renewable power. But if you, as a large hydro is also renewable form of energy, if you include large hydro in the total installed power capacity in this country, the share of renewable power including large hydro, it is 38%. It is 38% in percentage terms. But in absolute terms, it is 136 gigawatt out of 373 gigawatt. So 373 gigawatt is the total installed power capacity in this country, that is 3,73,000 megawatt. Out of this, renewable power capacity including the large hydro, it is 1,36,000 megawatt. And if you see the split, wind power, this is excluding large hydro. Excluding the large hydro in the renewable power capacity, renewable energy in the renewable power capacity, wind power it accounts for 42.7% in percentage terms, but in absolute terms it is 38,124.15 megawatt. 38,124.15 megawatt wind power, that is 42.7% of the total renewable power excluding large hydro. Solar power accounts for 40.4% in percentage terms, but in absolute values it is 36,050.74 megawatt. Then the biomass power 10,145.92 megawatt, that is roughly 11.4%. Small hydro 4,739.97 megawatt, that is 5.3%. Waste to power 168.64 megawatt, that is 0.2%. So from wind power to waste to power, the percentage terms which are given here is in the total renewable power capacity excluding the large hydro. In that, the percentage shares of wind, solar, biomass, small hydro and waste to power are given. And large hydro in the total installed power capacity in this country, large hydro in the total installed power capacity in this country is 45,699.22 megawatt. 45,699.22 megawatt. And then renewable energy except large hydro, renewable energy except large hydro. So here I am trying to give the figure. You can see so renewable energy except large hydro. So all this wind power, solar power, biomass power, small hydro power, waste to power put together, it is 87,027.68 megawatt. So excluding large hydro, the total renewable power capacity in this country, which is a grid interactive, it is 87,027.68 megawatt, out of which wind accounts for 42.7%, solar accounts for 40.4%, biomass accounts for 11.4%, small hydro accounts for 5.3%, waste to power accounts for 0.2%. And if you include large hydro in the renewable power, then it will be a total of 38%. So that's it about renewable power capacity in India. Thank you.